Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for checking out the channel. We're going to be working on some game day apps today. I'm going to make a kielbasa kebab. So I haven't done this before. This is kind of a test. It's a theory I have that's going to come out good because we're going to mix some smoky sausage, smoky kielbasa, with some hot peppers and a dressed up barbecue sauce. So here's our ingredient list today. These we're not going to use. I bought 2 different peppers. I was looking for something with heat. These are, I forget what these ones were, but Anaheim. Oh, yeah. These are Anaheim. They're not hot enough, so we're not going to use them. These are long hot peppers. We are going to use those. So we're going to make a kebab. It's going to be kielbasa, onion, long hot pepper, and some barbecue sauce. Yeah, we're going to dress up the barbecue sauce with fresh lime juice. So we're going to do that on the griddle. All right, so I'm going to get the kielbasa going, and I'm going to talk a little bit about my thought process here. So if you look at the kielbasa, I don't want to cook the side with the casing on it. I actually want to cook this side, and I want it to get kind of crispy. So that's why I'm not putting them on a kebab stick yet. Put the oil down so that we're putting it on a real hot griddle and start to crisp, right? Just make sure that they're all on the side we want brown. I've got the barbecue sauce warming up over there, and I'm actually going to, thanks Chris, I'm going to turn this side to low a little bit because I don't want my vegetables to be super soft. I want a little bit of crispness with them.
Now, do we have the proper ratio vegetables to meat here?
I absolutely have no idea. None whatsoever. But we're going to get as many kebabs out of this as we can. And I'm actually going to ask you 2 guys, Jeff behind the camera and Chris, I'm going to ask you to rate for the viewers the overall product at the end here. But the scale is going to be 1 to 5. 5 being you absolutely 100%. This should be the first thing you serve when you have people coming over to watch football, right? Game day.
Okay.
1 being you'll never cook it in your life.
Right.
Okay?
I mean, we've been talking about kielbasa for a while.
We haven't done anything. We haven't done
You've been talking about kielbasa your whole life. Let's not get around.
Tongs, Jeff, and are they in your caddy? So these look like they are burned, but that's what I was going for.
They look like it because they are burnt.
Point taken. But my plan is that kielbasa has a high fat content, so I want to cut through some of that fat with some crispiness, and then we also have a sweet barbecue sauce, so I'm trying to create some contrast and flavors between the burned crust that we just formed and the sweetness of the sauce. So I'll keep flipping these. I'm going to turn these down a little bit, and then we're going to start making kebabs. All right, so here's the plan, guys. You have to have good tongs, Jeff. But we're going to build the kebabs like this, as you see. And after we build them, we're going to sauce them, but you'll see that in a second. If you have a helper, that's good too. So Jeff and Chris keep busting on me because I burned the kielbasa, but that's my plan, I'm telling you. So now that we get them on the skewers, we're just gonna.
Those who like burnt food, you're gonna love this.
Yeah, well, we'll see where we end up on the scale. So now we're gonna sauce them, and I'm actually gonna sauce them pretty heavy. One thing to note is we had more kielbasa than vegetables. So when you guys try this,
remember I said proper ratio in the beginning.
Right. When you do it, grab more vegetables.
We do a shout out to
Big D?
Your mom?
Oh. Yeah. I think you should mention who won the Dunks gift card. You should mention that.
See, I'm not mic'd up. Why don't you guys go?
Where's the tongs? Here we are. Nope, not ready yet. So now we're just giving each a little flip.
So Big D was the winner of the number of cartwheels that I did in Jeff's video. We want to congratulate him. He should already have his gift card. He wanted Starbucks instead of Dunkin's, which we accommodated.
But
hope you enjoy Big D.
So the other thing with these is kielbasa is one of those things that it's pretty much just as good at room temperature as it is hot. So on game day, like I plan to make these kind of before the game and just have them ready.
Ready to go when people show up.
Yeah, and if they're not piping hot, like I'm okay with that. All right, a little more sauce.
Whoop.
Chris, I think you should eat one of these right now.
No, thank you.
It's not.
A little too hot.
Definitely will not burn your mouth. All right, let's bring them inside and let them cool off. See how it goes.
Picture.
Moment of truth, guys. Jeff and Chris are
My initial bite was
a kielbasa. Would you get a hot? Did Jeff get a hot pepper?
with the pepper. And I'll tell you, it's a nice with the barbecue. It's a nice flavor. A really nice flavor.
Really good.
So, does it taste burned?
No.
Does it, taste a little, at least?
It's burnt.
So cooking the peppers, they're still hot?
They're still hot. The kabobs, having it burnt or dark, you don't actually taste the burnt. It just
Not
gives
at
you
all.
a different texture.
I'm surprised.
Oh my God.
Nate was right.
Whoa, whoa.
Yep.
When I edit this, I'm going to have to play that 17 times like you did to me with the chicken sandwich
Wow,
video.
that pepper. I'm getting that pepper. Wow.
Still hot?
With the
even?
barbecue sauce, yeah.
Like enhanced it. So
Let me ask you, so hot that we should try using a different pepper or
No, I love it.
yes,
Okay.
yes, a lighter pepper.
No.
Really, Jeff? Wow.
Mmm.
All right.
Bites through the sweetness though.
This is a great app for game day. This is really good.
All right, so
Yep.
I'm going to taste one in a minute, but we talked about our scale of 1 to 5, right?
I'm going to do a 4.5.
Really? You like it that much?
I like it a lot.
Sweet.
And I actually wouldn't change the pepper. I love it.
So I like
It's not for everybody, though.
I like hot and sweet, which is kind of where I was going with this.
Yeah, and I'm getting the barbecue dulls it a little bit, and you still get that.
But it's still,
citrus
I can't
from
wait
the-
to try it.
It's good.
You can squeeze some
Oh,
lime
that's
juice
hot.
on there too.
That is hot. I like it though.
Really?
So you know what I would probably do is do a lighter pepper, half of them, and then I would try to do a lighter pepper because not everybody can eat that.
So we tested the
Point.
we tested the Anaheim. We think the Anaheim for people that don't want it so hot.
Yeah.
I would do that next, like
Yeah.
half and half.
Yeah.
Yeah, or just straight Anaheim, depending on who's coming over,
I
right?
don't know. I like that.
So the Anaheim was the one we eliminated at the beginning, and it had just a tiny bit of heat.
It's like a
right?
green pepper.
It was kind of like a green pepper.
Oh.
Scale of 1 to 5, I'd give it a 10 for heat. At least the one piece that I got, but I give it a strong 4.5 as well.
Yeah,
you know,
that's
if
good.
not 5. I mean, it's
is good.
It's finger food. You can eat it right off the steak. And enjoy it. I think it's really good.
And I'm glad I have you guys to taste test. All right, so with that, we'll sign out. It'd be great if you guys like, subscribe, hit the bell. Be perfect. We'll see you on the next video. Guys, I had to come back. I know that I just said the video was done, but I just did my taste test. Those peppers are really hot. Chris loves
Makes you
them.
drink more.
My whole mouth is pretty hot. So I mean,
It's a good hot.
this is probably twice as hot as Tabasco if you're used to that. So if you're cooking for people who don't like real spicy food, go with the other pepper. Thanks
Good
again.
stuff. Thanks for watching.
We'll see you soon.